Abalungi Bebasinga Obungi Ababi.
Hello our viewers and welcome back. I am Akello Alison Mary together with Mr. Alex Mukulu, and today we are diving into a very interesting topic once again, marriage in different traditions. And for me, I want to ask Mr. Alex, there is something I don't understand about you being a Muganda. I need you to explain to me why during the traditional marriage they bring the thigh of a cow. Is that a traditional norm? Does it mean something? What does it mean?
Bride price.
Yes, bride price.
Yeah.
Why do they bring a thigh?
Because the Baganda don't have cows. But
okay, so what's that one thing? For example, for us in Teso, to marry, cows is the bride price. That's what they determine. It's not. I've seen at different traditional weddings, marriages in the Buganda region. They bring onions, tomatoes, bread,
Bagambe, you tell them.
Reiko.
You ask Abatuliriza, you ask them. Bagambe, timu Abaganda, Lwaki mutwala obutungulu. Babuze, you ask them.
So I need to understand why you bring tomatoes, onions, green pepper, reiko, blue band bread, those small house essentials that you would have at home. Why?
I don't know.
Okay. You see how for us bride price, when you're going to discuss bride price, you're talking about cows. What do you talk about during bride price? You have a function called Kukyala, the first visit.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
What do you talk about?
Talk about?
Yeah, to agree on bride price. Because for us, when we have Kukyala, it's the family of the girl is meeting the boy and his few family members for the first time. At that Kukyala, they do what? They talk about bride price and then they negotiate on how many cows they can bring. What do you guys talk about during Kukyala before you actually do Kwanjula? Okay, Kukyala. What's Kukyala for you? I want to understand. Right.
Because there's already a contention between the biblical marriage concept
what do you view bride
and
price
the cultural.
As? Okay, what do you view bride price as, you as a person?
You know, you are asking a very wrong person.
I'm just asking for your opinion.
You know
what do you think about it?
You know, something I don't understand in my language. It makes it very difficult for me to even talk about. Okay,
Mr. Alex.
Bride price
what is I don't know how to interpret it properly, but I don't know how to interpret it properly, but the terminology I see a lamikin itunga pese. It's like an appreciation to the parents of the girl. So for you, first of all, you say that mixing up Kukyala and Kwanjula, those things. What's the difference between Kukyala and Kwanjula in Buganda?
I don't want us to go into that.
Why?
There is a contention already.
No, let's leave out. Already it's happening. If in case you're going to have a daughter who's going to get married, you're going to have Kukyala, you're going to have Kwanjula. Then now there's the white wedding. The white wedding is the church wedding.
Oh, Kwanjula. No Kukyala. Olus. It happens on the same day. Right? O Kwanjula, omuwala yayanjula. The girl. Nti ono omusajja agenda okukola ki?
Okumpasa.
Okukyala omusajja yajja.
Ono omusajja yebba wange.
Omusajja yajja okukyalira oba senga. N'amugamba njagala omuwala wo oba kino oba kiri. Ya? Kakati senga n'amugamba nti okay. kati okwanjula n'omuwala ye yayanjula nti ono omusajja agenda okukola ki
gwe njagala okuwasa olwano ye bba wange oba this is my husband.
So there's that confusion a little bit wakati w'okwanjula n'okukola ki even ne mu Baganda benye kwanjula n'okukyala oluusi babigatta oluusi bakola kimu kimu naye nga actually omuwala the girl should be the one ayanjula ki
yeah but that's what happens
omusajja okitegedde
yes that's what happens
then okukyala nze nenkyalira sengaawo oba whatever nemuwa byemukoze eki
you visit the auntie and
nemuwa nebbaluwa nti munnange njagala kuwasa ono omuwala bikina kakati senga oyo yagenda eri mu bazadde b'omuwala ayaga nti banaye musajja guno ayagala okuwasa ki omuwala waffe
kati let me ask you again for example if you have a daughter right and she gets married and you're also married, that means that this man she has married has a mother-in-law and a father-in-law. Yeah? Is that man allowed to come and greet the mother-in-law?
Yeah, but not to touch. You don't touch her. But you greet her, of course.
So you greet like from the other side?
She greets you from a distance. Why? Because men, they used to marry young girls.
Yes, that's true.
Okay? Now, the young girl could be having even a mother younger than the man marrying this younger chick.
I think that makes sense.
Hey, now when you come and you start this old man greeting everybody, you know, shaking, hugging, he could be tempted to be with the mother-in-law. So that's not acceptable. You
but
don't touch.
We also do that.
You also do that. Yeah.
Mother-in-law and son-in-law.
Yeah, because who knows? Temptations are all over the place.
So what other things do you do?
To marry?
Yeah, like to marry.
You know, after visiting and after, you know, the auntie introducing you okukyala wa auntie n'omuwa ebbaluwa ye n'omugamba njagala kwasa omuwala wammwe, the auntie goes to the parents ne bakkiriza. Now that's where the bridegroom I think comes in. See bridegroom, bride price comes in. Nti kakati amutwala. Of course, but the Baganda never really tebakusalira bintu. They don't say bring this. No, it is up to you. Yene tebakugamba leta kino. But there are certain things. Nge kanzu y'omuko.
Those are the things I want to know. Those ones which you know that this one you must bring.
There are certain things like that. Senga n'obagulira olugoye biki. There are certain things like that which you have to do. Naye nga tebajja kusalira nnyo nti leeta nte bweziti. They won't do that. I don't know. Osanga gye bali kakati. Naye nga they don't say bring 50 cows like you are telling me that if I want to marry I have to bring 50 cows.
Mr. Alex, that's like now for us. If you want to marry me, if you've shown intention to marry me, most of the time I would talk about it with my parents and aunties and uncles. Then they would ask me to ask the supposed husband to write to them on when he wants to visit. That's what they call the first visit. If they both agree, I will bring the letter, they will get in touch, but not meeting physically yet, just the letter. So I'll get the letter to my parents or my family. They'll agree. If the date is okay, I'll go back and say. So in that case, I'm the one who is the mediator.
Yeah.
Yes. But before I even say that, let's host this supposed husband, my parents or like my family would ask, so when you see your husband, what is he capable of? So we don't go there in the room and we are discussing and we are not agreeing on anything. Like, for example, if Mr. Alex wants to marry me and I say that he's capable of bringing 50 cows, I would say, how many cows are the parents going to ask for? If the parents ask for 100 cows and you can't afford 100 cows, I would tell them that he can't afford 100 cows. So he doesn't have them. Then they will start to say, okay, so what can he afford? Now that would be my job, to go back to my supposed husband and say that, you know what, there is this and this, what are you capable of bringing? Such that during the visit, there is not a lot of tension because of the bride price negotiation.
I think you are not talking to the right person. Why?
Why?
Because these norms, some of us were unfortunately over brainwashed into Christianity that we omitted some of those
things,
traditions, to visit, like you are saved, you go in church to marry. Some of these things,
like for example, by the way, you know that in this country they recognize a traditional marriage as a marriage.
Yes, the government does so.
Yes,
right.
But the church would still want you to do a white wedding.
Auntie, but that is a colonial thing.
Yes.
The church yagala echi.
The ring. But for traditionally, they just want bride price and you move. And they know that you're married.
But also the government also marries people.
Yeah, civil weddings and marriages.
I don't know if I've explained to you right about the traditional way of the Baganda marrying, because I'm telling you, I'm a victim of Christianity. Some of these things were eliminated. Yeah, under the pretext of Christianity. Yeah, and so, ebimu twabireka. But now we are realizing the differences between all of those things. Traditional marriage, the church marriage, and the civil marriage, beyond. So we are understanding now. It's all about education. Nayenga, for us, I think we made a lot of mistakes.
Which when you say for us?
Our generation.
You made mistakes.
A generation which is above 60.
You made mistakes like?
By allowing ourselves to be goofed by certain influences in the name of when I say Christianity, I'm not talking about faith in Christ.
Yes, I understand what
you understand.
Yes, I understand.
When I say Christianity, I'm talking about people giving you their culture,
their ideas,
together with the faith in Christ, right? So we made mistakes. We allowed Christianity.
So today there is the idea that bride price is a way of selling girls. Is that the idea, or it's something different?
No. It is yes and no, because some people really think.
Some people really do think that bride price is for selling girls.
Era bwawasa bwaba n'abawala awaka manya ajja kuba mugagga. Kubanga they will come to marry their girls and they will give him a lot of chi. So some parents make it commercial, which becomes a sale.
Yeah, which becomes a sale, that's true.
Which it shouldn't be. It should be appreciation.
Yes.
So some parents know that, others don't.
Yeah,
others take it
really
for granted. Owafe, give us this.
Or how about a husband who would say agwe, even if your parents actually did it out of it's a traditional norm that you just have to appreciate, even if the man brought the gomesi for the mother, the gomesi for the senga, just normal things that just as an appreciation, as gifts. Exclude cows, exclude manya tomatoes, exclude all those things.
If you ask me my real opinion, you see, appreciation cannot be measured.
Yeah, that's true. It can't be measured.
And appreciation goes with time. It's not an event. It is not incidental. It's not an accident. To appreciate you, my dear, the day a man or a boy should tell a woman, nti amwagala, agala muwasa, appreciation starts. Right? And this appreciation goes through that marriage up to date. Nti, what if I gave 50 cows
for example,
to your parents, and then after 10 years, they want a cow, just one? Wouldn't I give it to them? So if I don't appreciate, I will not give it to them because I paid the
50,
the bride
the
price.
bride price.
Yeah, but in appreciation, I will always be there for them because I took their sheep, their daughter. I will always be there. They are sick, I am there. That's appreciation. So appreciation is not just this incident.
The event.
And to weigh 50 cows over one.
Whatever you bring.
Yeah. So love is looking in the same direction. Nti, or marrying, you have married somebody's daughter. Are you looking in the same direction with her and her parents? For example, if you want to develop, do you want to do farming? Is that what you all want to do? Yes. Do you all want to do fishing? Love is that, looking in the same
direction.
And appreciation cannot be measured in a day. Because tomorrow,
there's going to be
your father
else.
will be sick. So won't I come? Because I gave 50 cows?
Well, these days, there are some men that say that, I already paid bride price, let's not.
Which is wrong.
Yeah, which is a wrong idea.
Yeah.
So do you think that, in as much as girls are educated on how they should nurture a family, how they should literally be as women as they grow, boys, I think, should also be made to understand what society expects of them, what responsibilities are going to come as they grow, as they decide to marry. What is the responsibility
of a man? Number one. According to you.
Me?
Yeah, what do you look for in a man? Mu Uganda bachita batya. Onoonya ki mu musajja? What are you looking for in a man? You yourself.
Me? I
Before
want a responsible man.
Pardon?
A responsible man. Responsible.
That's
by
vague.
responsible, I mean.
That's very vague.
What do you mean vague?
Irresponsible in what?
No, by responsible, I mean they're able to take care of themselves. Like, I don't want to get to a place where I have to be pushing.
That doesn't mean responsibility.
Oh, that means
if what? I can look after myself and I'm a thief, does it mean I'm responsible?
Okay, I don't want a thief, Mr. Alex.
But I can look after myself. I'm a thief.
No.
Yeah, forget the word
responsibility. Okay, let's remove responsibility. Let's say discipline.
Responsibility in Kugamba.
Okay, let's just say disciplined.
What do you look for in a man? For me, if I were to marry, over what I look for from a woman is her brain.
Her intellectual capacity. Full stop.
Period. Ategeera. When I am ajja kutegeera nga ndi mu problem. Ananyamba nga ngudde mu nsobi, right? And all that goes with the
brain.
With the brain. So that's what I look for.
Oh, I would say discipline then.
Kakati go looking for what?
I would say discipline.
Discipline from a man. Which man has a discipline in this world?
Mr. Alex!
Tell him, Mr.
Alex, they say that pray for what you want and it will come.
Chi?
Pray for what you want and it will come to you as you prayed for it.
Yes.
It may come with challenges, but...
Oh, Musajja. Tell him, Musajja, in a discipline.
What do you mean, Mr. Alex? Tell him, Musajja, in a discipline.
Lwakubanga omukazi
omukazi
buliriza the woman omubeezi Katonda gwe yatonda yateeka omusajja mu discipline.
Anti wulira
gwe bw'oba tolina discipline, don't look for a man.
Nze nina discipline, Mr. Alex.
Anti but don't look for a man ng'alina discipline.
Asobola okubeera nayo. Wali abasajja balina discipline, Mr. Alex?
A discipline kyeki? Tokimanyi naki?
Soko kingambe.
Discipline is somebody ali discipled into a certain thought. So he becomes a disciple of that thought. Discipline. Disciplined in that way of thinking. Religion, over chichi, over culture. Disciplined.
Whichever sector.
He becomes a disciple. A man should be a disciple. And who is a disciple? He who has learned, right? And what he has learned is teaching it
to others.
To other people. Right? Now, Kyonoonya omusajja ina discipline. Today, very few people like that.
Not very few, but the Bible says pray for what you want.
Men bebasinga obutabuyiga. Tebayiga.
Kaja bakazi bo bayiga.
Yeah.
Awali abasajja bayiga, Mr. Alex.
Given the percentage. Abakyala bayiga nnyo.
Katolaba mu percentage eyo entono y'abasajja. Eyo gye njagalamu.
Ngenda. Obasanga esinze. Nze sinze. Genda obanoonye oyagala. Oba onoobasanga yiteeso gw'omanyi. Okukitegeka.
Abantu n'abasanga wano mu Buganda bagenda kunoonya ente. Ate bagenda kunoonya ente.
Be bamanyi.
Oba mutabaniiwo ng'aleeta ente.
Ng'ali Bulaaya.
Ng'aleeta ente.
Ajja kuleetera hamburger na sausage na chocolate. Ayinza okuleeta chocolate amuleetera abateeso abazaddeko ne bamukubira eyo.
Bamukuba bambi. Naye no, Mr. Alex, you know that I heard that in one of the northern tribes, when a man is going to marry, he has to. So in the tent where they negotiate for bride price, where they have that talk of what are you going to bring, what do you want to bring, that kind of exchange. The supposed husband is supposed to crawl into that hut, like crawl, like on his knees, crawling. So that's interesting. I want to attend a traditional marriage that side and first witness one of it.
The scenes are crawling into a tent. I can't. Anyway, abatulaba tuli ku marriage. Wabaddewo ebintu ebyayogeddwa abantu baffe abakulu abo betwagala bulungi ku by'obufumbo. Bayibuli ndala naye mpa amagezi abantu basome esi mbiiti bamunoonye balabe mbiiti engeri gy'ayawula culture ne theology ne tradition. Now, which one of these three are we using here? Tulina okwegendereza nti omuntu bw'oyogera ku marriage oli mu kitiiki osinzidde ku kugundi ki wawo ovudde okwogera nti oli cultural oli theological oli political kubanga zonna marriage ezinno waliwo political marriage ya civil cultural theological ye ya church right now twegendereze nnyo nti ebintu bino nganze sibyogerako nnyo oba sibimanyi nnyo naye ate abo abakugu ababimanyi beeyambisa embiiti naye bategeere marriage
nange ngenda munoonyi
ate ye tali ku marriage as such naye yayawula Christian
buli kimu
faith ne Christianity nti waliwo obulombolombo bwe tufuna olw'aba missionaries abajja kuno nga bazungu ne batuyigiriza ebyekizungu abafalansa gye baalaga ne bayigirizaayo ebyaki ebyekifalansa abaportugiisi gye baalaga ne bayigirizaayo kalica yabaki nga bwe bagigatta naki n'Abaganda baalimu ekintu ekyo n'Abaganda balina colonialism n'imperialism nabo
anti era bajja bonna
ate Abaganda nabo bo bagenda eyo nabo balina ebyobuwangwa bye bagatta mu politics
ne babitabula byonna
ne babitabula kati gwe n'ogamba ndi kakati bw'oba totegeera bulungi n'omanya n'oyawula nti eno culture eno tradition this is a divinity oyinza okutandika okuwakanyiza buli kiki buli kintu so marriage simanyi naye nze ndowooza bwe kiba nti it is appreciating somebody that appreciation nze nkugamba teba ya lunaku ki
goes on till death do us
yes njagala ojja kulwala maama wajja kulwala taata walwali nganze nga nti nabawa ente zange ameka 5 mumbeeko it doesn't make sense so kakati abamu bride price ya busuubuzi kugaggawala so simanyi but I think love yegatta byonna nti abazadde bo baagala the son-in-law because there is that also problem nga mother-in-law takwagala ne son ne father-in-law nga akulaba nagali musabeyo nte 10 waliwo minisita gwe baŋŋamba yali mu binyo ne bamusaba ente y'obubi because he was so ugly abatulaba mwebale
until next time.